Hey everyone, so let's talk about how you can earn money with ByBIT votes. Now, this is another way people don't even know exists on ByBIT, but it's a pretty awesome thing that people don't realize. So be sure to smash that like button if you haven't already. But right now, ByBIT votes, ByVotes or Spot hold BIT USDT, which a lot of holders are holding USDT actually. Because they keep trading, so it's free money, potentially. Not financial advice. But if you want more videos like this, I'm going to be the biggest ByBIT channel or the biggest copy trading ByBIT channel by the end of the year. So be sure to smash that like button. And I'm really excited. You can hear my passion in my voice to be able to vote for your favorite token and win airdrops. Hold more support assets to get more votes. So if you hold a lot of USDC, if you're a big trader, and use the link down in the description below for a $3,003 bonus deposit, there's something pretty cool actually. You can vote which coin you want out there. So let's check get votes by holding BIT USDT. The greater value of the support tokens you hold, the more votes you will have. And you can actually vote for the coin. So for example, let's take a Velo here. It has total price pool of $120,000. These have $100,000. So right now, past winning listings. Let's check. So last winning listing was you could win some tokens. You can win some tokens ever, MDAO, time. There's tons of tokens over here, and people are really excited about that. There have been tokens since 2022, and I think that's a pretty awesome thing. Like a lot of people that allocated their tokens, they vote for which token wins. The token that wins, that's the token you keep. So for example, say Tama over here, you can see actually that's pretty cool. Venu. A lot of these tokens, you can actually, if they win, this is number 14 round, you can vote and have a token info. So you can click that, get votes over here. You can say depositing crypto. So let me say I want to deposit USDT. Bam, click over here. Obviously, I show how much balance I have. I have a small amount just for shows. But you can actually vote, and then you can get different crypto. Potentially, as I understand, your crypto has to win, but here's the event status. A snapshot phase votes allocation ends in 1 day, 15 hours. So if your token wins, I think you don't know which one has the most votes, but the one that does, I guess you got to do some research, right? But the one that does, it gives you tokens. It gives you allocation that's worth for its price. Here was allocated 2 tokens, 16 tokens, 0.12 tokens, average allocation, total votes 48,000. So that's a pretty awesome thing. But if you guys want more content like this is free money that people don't understand. Because if you don't win, no worries, right? You don't lose anything. But I'm gonna keep you guys updated with more news like this. Be sure to smash that like button. And until next time, peace everyone.